Yeah, that is nasty. Ugh. Yeah, this was definitely it's been on here for more than 10,000 miles. Oh boy. Oh gosh. These filters look bigger. Oh no. Look at the difference. Why? Freaking Amazon, and they still sent out these filters. What a waste. This is not gonna work. So what do we have going on today? C32 AMG here. We are going to be doing a few maintenance on it. It's been about maybe 400 miles of driving this car, of just enjoying it. There are a few things I want to address on here. Usually when I get my cars, first thing I do is maintenance, but this, I knew it was already maintained at Mercedes before it got delivered here. I wasn't too worried about the maintenance, but there are a few things I want to address on here. The valve cover gaskets, but we won't be doing that today because in this video we've got air filters. Air filters definitely needs changed. We've got engine oil that we'll be changing here in a few after we get done with the air filters. The air filters are really bad on here. Guys, remember to change your air filters every 10,000 miles. And I've got this guy I will be pouring in. Check out Anderson's channel. He recommended this stuff. It's actually really good stuff. It keeps your engine really clean. And then top of this also keeps your engine clean. So this is a plus. So I started using it on both the CLK, and I'll be using it on this car as well. This car, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be doing oil changes every 4,000 miles. Every other oil change, I will change the oil filter. So I'll keep this in up until 8,000 miles. I've done a lot of oil changes on this channel, guys, and it's pretty much the same thing, you know, with the CLK and the ML55. This car, it's got all its underneath, and I'm not used to that. So I'm gonna have to take off a few bolts here and there to get to the oil drain plug. I already checked out the filters on here, and I kind of cleaned them off when I first got it, but check that out. Yeah, that is nasty. Ugh. Yeah, this was definitely it's been on here for more than 10,000 miles, but I'm glad we got new ones. Oh boy. Oh gosh. These filters look bigger. Oh no. Look at the difference. Why? So I ordered these off of Amazon and definitely put in the specs for my car, and they still sent out these filters. So I guess we'll move on to the oil change, and I can take care of the air filters later on. There goes the oil. It was actually a pain to do this because I had to take out the covers covering the transmission pan, and that bolt for some reason was tight on there. I had to heat it up before it broke loose. So while the oil is draining, I do want to check underneath and see if I do have the OEM intercooler pump, because those always fail, and I've read a lot about them. I want to make sure I do have that replaced. Hopefully it's been replaced. If not, I would just have to buy a new one. 022003, that is the stock intercooler pump.
Hell to the no, to the no, 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 no. Hell no, no.
Oil is topped off. I'm gonna go ahead and check and see what the engine reads. It's pretty simple on this car. I know some C32s you gotta hit this button 3 times, but mine you don't have to do that. There we go, the up button. It says engine oil. Okay, for the service interval, I'm going to use my scanner and program it for it to reset. Some of you might not know how to do this. Pretty much put the key in second position. You're going to go to service on your scanner, oil reset. Just look for your chassis number. This is W203, which is also the same for C203. Software reset, perform oil change. I do have my ignition on. Okay, it's been reset. Let's go ahead and check and see what the service interval numbers say. There we go. Till 10,000 miles. Quick update, out with the old, in with the new. Yeah, that will conclude it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. First, maintenance on the car. Oil is actually pretty dirty. I will be taking care of this. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.